Hello Philippines, hello world, and today it's unboxing day. This is my regalo para sa kanila since sila naman yung may audience tayo dito. Since sila naman yung always sa kusina. So this, ang laman ng mga box ito ay magagamit natin sa kusina, and we're gonna have unboxing today. And let's start with, unahin natin. Ito daw, unahin natin. Lika ito, mother. Sagdi na siya. Sila na mag-unbox. Buksan niya yan. Ano kaya sa tingin mo ang laman? Ano sa tingin mo, mother, ang laman niya?
Ano sa tingin ko alam?
Mamala kang maghula.
Maghula ka.
Bata, wag kang maingay.
Matagal mo nang pinapangarap. Matagal mo nang pinapangarap na magkaroon ka nito.
What's that?
Ice poker? Huh? It's a?
It's a bag.
Ayan. Ano na siya? Kilid to?
Nani, can you say wow?
Ba siya?
Wow. Come here. Box.
A box. Yes.
Open. What's in the box?
And we're open the box.
Siya pa-open biyang, siya pa-abre.
Say open.
Say open.
Open.
Oh.
What is this? It's a air fryer. What is this? It's a
Right.
Ayan, wow. Wala na excited si Mother.
Ala, perfect.
Wow.
Perfect is sa Christmas.
Wow.
Asa
Wow, meron pang
May
free.
free sheets.
Ano? Tawag dyan.
Frying sheets. Ate guys.
Wow.
It's a... Wow.
Wow.
It's a...
This is air fryer. What is this? Air fryer. Wow. Wow.
So, anong mga meron dyan na pwedeng gawin?
Wow.
Marami yung pictures at... Ay.
Ano ba?
Yay!
Saan ba yun?
Yay!
Ayan, guys. So, pwede tayo dito mag-chestnut. Ano ang chestnut? I think this is mga nuts. Toast mo. Cake, pwedeng
Clap.
cake.
Clap, clap.
French fries.
Yay!
Sweet potato. So, mag-diet na good kayo. Nanay, pwede mag-sweet
Nagkatawa.
potato. Hi, Mama! Hello! And chicken wings.
Hi, Lola.
Hello.
Hi, Tita. Hi, Tita Diva. Ano, wag yan. Tita. Shrimp, fish, and steaks. So,
Yes!
ayan.
Yay! Yay!
Ang maganda kasi sa air fryer, di ba? Hindi ka na kailangan pag gumamit ng oil.
Oil.
So
meron
diretso
siyang
na siya
free na
dito. And,
Frying sheets.
ayan.
Frying sheets.
So dito natin ilalagay. Tapos lagyan natin dito.
Makinis na makinis pa.
Box. There's more. There's more. Ay, nara, unsa man eh.
And ito, ano lang. Electric. Ay, di rin siya. Kung magkuhan ko, hindi siya ilagay. Hi, Palola.
Hi. Tita Diba?
Hello.
What about me? What about me?
Hi, Tita Diba?
Hi, Tita. Hi, Tita.
Kami?
Lulu, matawa na. Wow, grabe. Matagal na namin gusto magkaganito.
No, napay box on box.
Meron pa tayong
Yay.
i-unbox.
Go, Mama.
gabor.
The next box. Wow, ano kayang laman ng next box?
Ang pinakamalaking box.
Maganyan na si Mother, oh. Tit.
Oh.
And the second one.
Yay!
What is this, Nani?
It's a...
It's a...
Panaugon.
Later na, magnaong.
No, we need to open the other box.
Let's open another
Wow.
box.
What?
It's a toy.
Is it a toy? Is it a banana?
Wow.
Say open. Say open.
It's another? It's another?
Say
Are you
open.
excited? Are you excited, anak? Wait lang. Okay, here you go.
Wow.
Wow.
A new? That is a new heater.
Heater.
Yay, yay, 1, 2, ready, go. Yay!
Say open, and we open the box. Nani? Open.
Wala lang, oh.
What's,
Open na lang yun.
what's inside the box?
Open this.
What's inside the box?
What's inside the box?
Is it a dinosaur?
Wow, it's
Wow, heater.
a glass heater. Wow. What can
For
you
your
say?
DD. For your DD.
Yeah, what can you say about this, Nani?
For my DD. For my DD. For my DD.
Ayan. Wow, ang ganda nito.
Uy.
Ang ganda.
Adapter.
Adapter. Pwede na nag-adapter. Puro adapter.
Wala.
Ang ganda, guys.
Pwede naman dito, dili na.
Dito sa tubig.
Di na, mga hugka. Lagi na.
It's
Ay,
for your DD.
Wow. Paano ba to?
So aesthetic.
So, ganyanin lang. You will open.
Yay!
Kailangan ba itong tanggalin mo?
Mm.
Kasi malimtan, mabamugahi. Ayan. So, sa mga hindi nakakaalam dito,
Malibang ka.
sabihan mo sa Diyos na ganito yun. Hello! And the final
Down
bag!
to our last one. Wow.
Huh?
Open.
Are you
What's inside the box?
excited? Are you excited?
What's inside the box? It's
In the box. What could it be? Do you want to take something out with? Yes? Okay. Yeah, open the box. Very good. Let's open the box.
After this, Nanex, you will sing Jingle Bells, ha?
Okay.
Wala, napagali na.
Oh, manaygon dahin ka, ha? Imong mga malinay, ha? Kanta dahin ka.
Oh. Namamat ko na po siya. Wow!
Wow.
Look, Nani, we're opening the box! Wow!
Wow, Nani.
It's another
Wow.
wow! It's another
Rice cooker.
rice cooker.
Elegant rice cooker.
Wow! This is nice. Nanik, look, this is nice.
Wow.
Wow! How to open this? So, ano na siya, guys? Magpindot-pindot lang tayo dito.
Wow.
And, wow, meron siyang
Ang freebie.
Ito steamer. Ang kanyang freebies. Kasama na to. Ano ba to? Sponge. Huh?
So big daw.
And itong kanyang cups. Tapos, a wire and the
Lagi.
ladle. Ito na siya.
Dako.
Sakto lang.
Yeah.
Lawa mo yung kuwan, ah. Kada siya.
Maganda. Ganda, oh. Ganda ng kulay niya dito. Tapos, lagay lang natin yan dyan. And, let's turn on start. Tapos, paano ba to? So, pwede ka mag-porridge, fast cook, cooking, yogurt, cake. Pwede ka din dito magprito, o rice soup, meat, pwede, keep warm. So, pwede ka din mag-init lang.
Yes.
Oo. Ayan, guys.
So that's all. That's our... You know what, guys? Sa TikTok ko yan na-order and lahat yan is 3,000 pesos lang po.
Wow.
So if you want to order, punta na po kayo sa TikTok. Sa mga nagtatanong kung saan namin ito binili, sa TikTok lang po.
Ganda. Hala, excited na daw si mother mag-
Hindi gamitin na daw.
Gamitin na niya.
Maglungan na daw siya.
Mm.
So, mali siya kung idol kanila.
Dami manual lang.
Ay, ano, nalay na siya.
So, dili na magtinglag kay mag pride nagkarni diya.
Siguro kung rice, preset, pilihan mo kung saan iluto. Or mino. Or kani siguro. Huh?
So ayan, thank you so much guys. And I hope na-enjoy kayo sa aming unboxing. So before kami matapos, may mamamas ko pa muna sa inyo.
Okay, sing. Sing Jingle Bells.
Ready, sing. Ready, go.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle way. Oh, what fun it is to wait for a birthday. Hi, jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to wait for a birthday.
To the snow. Ha ha.
Ha?
Spirit bright. But fun it is to ride and sing. The way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in the one-horse open
Yay! Si Babay, si Babay. Si Babay hinali. Bye-bye. Frankies, Frankies.
Thank you. Say thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yaman na.
Bye.